What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video for the PlayStation 5. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very important setting on the PS5 that I think every user should consider changing. Because if you do this, it will essentially give you more space on your PS5 SSD, as well as allowing your console to utilize its limited storage capacity in a more efficient way. So basically, do this if you want to be able to save as many games on your PS5 as possible. So step 1, go into your system settings, and then scroll down and select Captures and Broadcasts. Then choose Trophies. What you'll notice is that by default, the PS5 has a feature that automatically saves a short 15-second video every time that you get a trophy. And while this is a really good idea, the problem is that over time, your system will begin to accumulate dozens and dozens of these short videos for every trophy that you get. And as you can imagine, this will eventually take a pretty big toll on your PS5's usable hard drive space for more important things such as games and updates. So my recommendation is to change this setting from its default position and disable it. If you want to go the extra mile for even more space saving, you can also choose to disable trophy screenshots as well. Now let's just say you end up getting an extremely rare trophy and it's actually one that you would have wanted to record. Well, luckily there's an easy way to save your last 15 to 30 seconds of gameplay by using the create button on the DualSense controller. Just select save recent gameplay and then decide how much of it you actually want to save. And remember, you can always use the Share Factory app to edit your video and cut out any extra gameplay that you don't necessarily want in your final video. But there you guys have it. Now you know one of the most important settings that I think every PS5 user should think about changing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.